So the #1 requested video is what happens when you microwave a cell phone. So I have an old cell phone that works somehow. Turn on. Okay, so it works, right? We're gonna try to microwave it and see what happens. So let's go microwave it. Okay, we're gonna microwave it for 5 minutes. See what happens. Shit. Dude, just be on fire. It's smoking. Can you see this? It's only been like almost 2.5 minutes. And there's freaking all kinds of fucking smoke coming out. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but there's all kinds of black smoke coming out. It fucking stinks. Shit. Well, that was interesting. The fuck? So it exploded. Where's the camera at? Okay, there's the camera. There's a big ass fucking fire. How the fuck am I gonna get that out now? Damn it. Okay, let's see. Shit. How the fuck am I gonna get that out now? Okay, we'll just let that freaking smoke like that go. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. So that was interesting. Apparently, now the microwave's looking all black. Shit. Go out. Okay, I think it's out. Now it's just gonna smoke forever. Great. So it did explode. Shit, it's all smoky. Fuck. So, damn it, I thought it was just gonna be on fire. I don't think it would explode. If I would've known that, I would've moved the camera back. Freaking, the door flew open, I think. I don't know. So now I gotta figure out how to make this. This looks like a big, I don't even know what that does. It looks like a big charred mess. It needs something to poke it with. Let's poke it with this thing. Okay. So, there's the battery. Oh shit, I thought it was gonna explode. I think that's the battery. And then this is all the phone. What is that? The phone screen? Is that the phone screen? It doesn't even look like a phone screen. But I think that's the phone screen. It's like a char mess. There. Oh, come. I need a better poking stick. Let's see. Oh, don't freaking explode on me. Okay, so that's the screen. That's interesting. Well, I thought that's not gonna work anymore. Fuck. Look how black the freaking microwave is. I gotta figure out how do you clean the microwave? See if it still works. Oh shit, the microwave's broken. God damn it, fuck. See if we'd unplug it. Oh fuck, damn it! The microwave's broken. Don't microwave a freaking cell phone. You break the microwave, shit. Damn it, Marlene's gonna be pissed. Oh well. Now how do you get rid of a microwave? Crap. Well, thanks for watching. That's what happens when you microwave a cell phone. Oh shit, no! Oh hell yeah! Oh, it works! It took a minute. Oh fuck yeah! Okay, so the microwave still works! So I just gotta figure out how to clean up all that black shit. Okay, awesome, awesome! So, at least the microwave still works. Now what was I saying? I forget what I was saying. It hecka stinks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Bye. Dude, look, okay, so I'm out here, just sitting here, turning my foot, texting someone, and the freaking plate just broke. What is that? A little microchip. How? I thought microwave plates couldn't break. Well, it's like kind of it cracked. How? Like, okay, so it broke kind of. Do you see like the crack right there? It cracked there and it cracked over there, but it didn't go through. What? How? Yeah, it did. See that giant crack? What the fuck? Now, how? Like, it's like stuck together. Hold on, let's see. But look, and there's a freaking nice ass crack right there too. I thought these things like were non-freaking breakable. Like crap. Wonder if I can get. Where do you get one of those? I need a new microwave holder round thing. What do you call that? I don't even know. Where do you get that? Like the Goodwill, maybe? Fuck, am I gonna find one of those? Shit. Ugh. Do you think maybe super glue? I don't know. I gotta look on how to freaking fix that now. Great. Ugh.